My name is Siphiwe Sithole, and I'm the founder and the farmer at African Marmalade, the business I started in 2015. My journey into farming was not like planned. I was working at a corporate company back in Cape Town, and I started visiting different African countries through my work. And I really enjoyed the food that I was eating there. It was natural, it was organic, it was tastier. And when I came back, I had to pay a premium in order to enjoy that beautiful food. And that's when I started to interrogate that. And when I moved back to Joburg, and I also started investigating our food system, that's when I decided to actually go and start farming indigenous crops. I look into African Marmalade to cater for African expats that are living in South Africa, because every day these people have got to look for food because they kind of eat something that's slightly different. And as South Africans, we have kind of moved away from our own indigenous food, which is much more healthier. Our body are much more adaptable to it. They would actually keep us much more healthier.